Before you start this tutorial, make sure you have set up your Scratch account. Find out how to do this in the video linked in the description. Here is Hopper with the website address to help you find the Scratch project. Ask an adult to help you type this into your browser if you need to. The link is also in the description. You can pause the video whilst you get that sorted. Once you have typed in the URL, you will get to this page. This is my Scratch project that you can remix and fix. You should already be signed into Scratch. If not, you can sign in now by entering your username and password here. You can then hit the remix button to make a copy of the project. I can scroll across with my mouse to view all of the code. If I press the green flag right now, then nothing happens. This is because we don't have the right instructions yet. These are all of Hopper's subroutines. You can choose which subroutines you would like to call from the My Block menu over here. This lists all of the subroutine calls for the subroutines that have been created over here. Keep your eye on the Go to Start block. When I press the green flag, the Go to Start block turns yellow. This is because of these two instructions here. They say, when the green flag is clicked, go to Start. The Go to Start block will call this subroutine. This subroutine is designed to make sure that Hopper is in the right place at the beginning of the maze. I can move Hopper over here, press the green flag, and Hopper will jump right back to the start. If I want Hopper to start moving around the maze, then I need to add in some more subroutine calls. I click and drag the block so that it sits just underneath the Go to Start block. Now when I press the green flag, what do you think is going to happen to Hopper? Have a little think. Let's try it. Were you right? In the book, it was tricky to know how far up Hopper might go. Now you know. The exact instructions for moving Hopper up can be seen inside the Move Up subroutine. I need to be sure that I get all the socks before I reach the end. Which block do you think I'll need next? That's right, I need another Move Up block. Let's test it and see if it works. Yay, it worked! Your job now is to finish this off. See if you can get Hopper to reach the egg after collecting all the socks. You can find the answer in the book, but try your best to see if you can do it yourself first. As long as you signed into your account at the beginning, your project should save in the folder up here. If not, sign in now. Good luck with your adventure. Thanks for watching. To learn more, look out for my next video, the Egg Remix.